After we teach you how to select the configurations now, let me show you how to open the file. Yeah, file. Open.
这些格式都可以。PLT,
PLT, DXF, HPG, and all the files are okay for our controller software. For example, this PLT file. Open it.
进来之后，这个是让它直接就是说归到这个框以内。
This file means let the designs into the right place.
再给演示一遍。
Let me show you again.
这个。
This button and right in the place now. Right.
这一个是发送图形。
And send. Okay.